Okay, the last part that we're going to talk through here is back to these bullet points, right? So no AI for problems that you haven't tried to understand first, and focus on learning patterns, not just fixing immediate issues. Now, when we talk about a more classic approach to learning software development, I will be the first to say, because I've been telling people this as long as I've been trying to mentor them. And that's probably in the neighborhood of like 12 plus years of trying to help other developers. Now, we haven't had AI like this for 12 plus years, but the point in the first part is really about trying to understand problems. So the idea is that if you're asking someone for help and always getting answers and you're not actually trying something first, you're probably not going to learn as effectively. I've made other videos about this in terms of asking good questions or how I coach other people to basically tell other people, go try something first. It's the same idea. In terms of learning, I think that it's very important that we have periods where we're getting stuck on things. Getting stuck, trying to work through the problem, do a bit of investigation, exploration, analysis, troubleshooting, all those things are super valuable for trying to learn more effectively. If we jump to the last part, when it says focus on learning patterns, this is the same type of thing where people will say you should learn the fundamentals, right? That means if you're going to go learn a programming language or a tech stack, people are saying you don't have to go memorize those things, because if you're learning the fundamentals of what you're doing, they'll be very transferable to other languages, other tech stacks, and that sort of thing. I think that when I read this last point, that's also what they're saying. And again, this is advice that I would be giving people already. Regardless of AI or not, those two things, the way I frame them, are how I recommend people learn. On top of that, practice, right? Go build things. I think that's the other piece of advice that I would always add in. Now, this is the part where it's going to feel a little bit awkward and a little bit challenging in terms of thinking about a different perspective. And the disclaimer that I'm going to re-add here is that I'm not even convinced that I align to this, but I wanted to say it out loud because I think it's interesting.